In this video, I'm going to show you how you can concatenate values quickly and easily with Excel's new text join function. So in this example, I've got a list of stocks that offer high yields, and I want to create a list of them broken down by spaces or commas. And so what you might be tempted to do is use something like the concat function, where you select the values that you want to concatenate. But the problem is, by doing so, there's no spaces in between them. Now what you could do is put in a space manually, select your values, again, put another space, select your value, but this is incredibly tedious and time consuming to do, right? So there's a better way. If you've got Excel 2019 or newer, or if you've got Microsoft 365, you can use the text join function. And so with the text join function, we're specifying the delimiter. So basically what is going to go in between our values. And so in this case, I'm just going to put a space. I'm going to ignore empty values. And I'm going to select the values that I want to concatenate. And so just like that, this is a whole lot quicker and easier than going one by one. And if I don't want to put a space, let's say I want to put a comma, no problem at all. I can just add a comma there. And then if I want to put a space after the comma, add a space there. So I can customize that, making it really easy to create the list that I want without having to do a whole lot of manual work in using the concat function and making sure I add spaces along the way, because obviously this can be very time consuming when you've got a long list of values. With the text join function, it's a lot smoother and easier to do this.